If you've lost access to your Threads account and don't have your phone number, you can still recover it by following these steps. This guide will help you regain access to your account. Step 1. Open the Threads app. Launch the Threads app on your device. If you are not already logged in, you will be prompted to enter your account credentials. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password option and tap on it. This will initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Threads account. Make sure it is the correct email you used during registration. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for a password reset link from Threads. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the reset instructions. Click on the link in the email and follow the instructions to reset your password. Once you've set a new password, you can log into your Threads account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Threads support for further assistance.